Many homeowners have been in the situation where there was simply more stuff in the garage than space to put it. Or maybe you just needed an attractive and a safe storage space for your lawn tractor or garden equipment. I think we've got an answer for you today. Hi, my name is John. Please join me today as we follow the steps of building a top-of-the-industry storage shed by Weaver Barnes. Joining me today is Terry from Weaver Barnes. Glad to have you with us, Terry.
Nice to be here, John.
Terry, I understand Weaver Barnes sheds are available built entirely on a homeowner's prepared site or pre-built in the Weaver Barnes manufacturing facility and then delivered to the site.
That's right, John. We can build it in the factory, bring it out all ready for you, or if necessary, we can build it on site.
So what's the first step in preparation for a Weaver Barnes building?
Well, the main thing is to have level ground, John. The do-it-yourself homeowner can prepare the site, or it can be prepared by a site preparation professional. The next thing we can do is provide you with a gravel base, a concrete bed, or a post beam foundation.
I see you're using 4x4s for the skids.
Right, John. The first thing we put down on that prepared foundation are treated 4x4 skids. Then on top of that we nail tongue and groove 2x8 treated wood planks with a special V-groove to hold everything nice and tight. And you know, John, that floor is so strong you can put any garden tractor you want on it. In fact, if you want to, you can drive your car on that floor. That's the strongest floor on the market.
I notice your walls are all assembled before you arrive at the building site.
That's right, John. We try to control time, efficiency, and quality. We want to make sure that the customer is provided with the highest quality product.
Terry, I noticed the wood looks a lot cleaner than what I've seen at the lumber yards or the home centers.
We use nothing but top quality premium materials and lumber. We want this building to last as long as your home.
What are the options available for siding?
John, we have three options on siding. First of all, we have DuraTemp. This is a form of plywood siding. It's got an engineered outer layer. It's designed to hold the paint real well, and it really has a nice textured look to it. We also offer Eastern pine siding. It's tongue and groove, very high quality siding. Looks terrific when you stain it. And then of course we offer vinyl siding for no maintenance.
Do these roof trusses get made at your facility as well?
That's right, John. We make these in the shop. We press a heavy duty metal plate into each side of the truss at each connection so that this roof will last for a long, long time.
Terry, I noticed you're using plywood for your roof sheeting. Why not an OSB or a flake board?
You know, John, I believe in quality, and so do our customers. We don't like OSB because there's a tendency for OSB to get wet and come apart. Plywood's a durable quality product, and I believe in it.
Terry, I noticed you're using cedar for your fascia boards and the trim. Why not a composite material?
You know, cedar is known for its ability to stand up against adverse weather conditions, and those doors and windows and corners are the most vulnerable part of our buildings. So we want to trim them with good quality wood that'll hold up. We also offer an aluminum drip edge under the shingles. That protects the edge of the shingles from curling over and also from moisture damaging the roof sheeting. We offer as a standard feature 25-year shingles, and if you want dimensional shingles, 30-year shingles, they're available to you.
Terry, with summertime temperatures reaching into the 90s, how do you keep these buildings cool?
We offer a really good ventilation system. It includes a full-length ridge vent and full-length soffit vents, front and back. That lets that hot air escape through the ridge vent and cool air enter through the soffit vents. You know, it's a better system than in most houses.
Are there any other details we should talk about on a Weaver building?
Yeah, John. You know, we use double-studded walls for these door openings and a heavy-duty 2x6 header over the door. And you know, that keeps those doors closing nice and tight and locking all the time. You know, John, we use heavy-duty barn-style hinges. They're made out of galvanized steel, painted black, and we have a real good lockable handle here that holds that door nice and tight.
Well, Terry, it's pretty obvious that a pleasing design and paying close attention to detail during the construction process is what makes a Weaver barn a quality shed. But now let's say a homeowner has a specific request, like they want to have the roof pitch at a steeper angle or the shingle color to match their existing home. What can you do for a customer like that?
John, we've built thousands of quality buildings and we enjoy doing that and we're proud of it. But we also really like to do customized work. If a customer wants a certain roof pitch, or if they want a porch on their building, if they want windows, flower boxes, shutters, cupola, weather vanes, anything they want, we can do it. We can build it, we can deliver it, and we guarantee it.
Talk to somebody soon at Weaver Barnes about how they can help you make the right choice for your backyard. Weaver Barnes and you, it may be the perfect fit.
The reason I choose Weaver Barnes is because of the structure, the quality in the structure. I just feel that it's one of the best built barns in the area. You know, if I call in and I need a barn, they know what I want from the past orders that I placed. It comes out just how I order it. I would suggest to go to Weaver Barnes and to take a look at them and definitely check out the structure and the way it's built. If any issues do come up, my experience has been they're always there promptly. They'll take care of it, and you'll be satisfied.
The reason I chose Weaver Barnes is we were interested in a utility shed, and we checked around, and we were impressed with their design and so forth. If you have never been to Weaver Barnes, you need to go because they are excellent. From the beginning to the end to the delivery, the salesmen were excellent with helping with the design, and the construction was great, and down to the delivery was wonderful.
My experience with Weaver Barnes was really good. They take the time to explain everything to you, and very good as far as putting up the site and putting up the building, and they were everything was cleaned up and everything was nice and neat when they were done. If there was someone considering Weaver Barnes, go out and see them and you would have a really good experience. Very professional, courteous, and thoughtful.
My first experience with Weaver Barnes was at a trade show in Cleveland, Ohio at the IEX Center. When we really made the decisions, when we met the people from Weaver Barnes and had a chance to talk to some of the salespeople that were there. What I would tell anybody looking to build a barn or have a barn built for them is to really check the quality of the product. When I saw Weaver Barnes floor, the tongue and groove floors, the quality of that floor, it just surpassed any floor that I was looking at from any other company. We were really impressed with the builders as they came out and how they put this thing together, and they just knew what they were doing. You can tell that this barn was very well engineered. It's just a very quality barn.